Hello, team and family. This is WA number 6, second 9 weeks, question 9. Which of the following is a rational number that is not an integer? And I need to add in here, these boxes were just negative signs. So which of the following is a rational number that is not an integer? So basically I'm looking for the one that is not an integer. So if I think of a number line, and I put 0 in the middle, integers are positive and negative whole numbers, and I think the exact definition that we discussed in class was integers are whole numbers and their opposites. So, like the opposite of 1 is negative 1, the opposite of 2 is negative 2, the opposite of 3 is negative 3. 0 is also an integer. So we want to make sure that we understand that integers are negative 4, negative 3, negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we're looking for the one that's not an integer. So 0 isn't an integer, or is an integer, excuse me. 4 is an integer. Negative 2 is an integer. The only one that's not an integer is 5/10, which is answer choice B. So I just need to know what an integer is, and then I can tell that negative 5/10 is not an integer, but it is a rational number. So my answer is B. And I could also know that a rational number can be written as A over B. So if I read that number correctly, I would read it as negative 5/10. So negative 5/10, and now I have it as A over B, which is a rational number. So it is a rational number, but it is not an integer.